In the state of Utah, you can get married online without having to be there in person. There are other countries where you can do this as well. Some people call it online marriage or proxy marriage or marriage by proxy. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about whether or not this makes sense as a strategy for green cards through marriage. I'm Josh Goldstein. I'm an immigration lawyer committed to helping you reach your immigration goals. Whether it's naturalization, work permits, or any other goal, I'm here to help. And I'm also here to uplift you and inspire you. Green cards through marriage is our specialty. We focus on this at our firm. And we've been getting a flurry of inquiries from people who are saying, hey, Josh, why do we want to spend all this money on airline tickets and travel and so on when we can just get married online? So many transactions are easier online. Why not marriage? The state of Utah makes it legal to get married online. Let's just do it that way. Today we're going to explore that and see whether it actually makes sense. The motivation to get married online, as I understand it, is that it decreases your cost for travel. But what most people don't know is that in order for the marriage to be valid, an online marriage must be consummated for it to be recognized for immigration purpose. Now, I thought the word consummated means sexual intimacy, and I'm not sure exactly how you would prove that, but for immigration purposes, they consider consummation to be when the two parties have met together. So you have to prove that the online marriage was consummated by meeting in person. My question is, if you have to meet in person to file the case anyway, then what's the purpose of the online marriage? Why bother? Why not just file a fiancé visa, which requires you to have met in person within 2 years of filing? Or if you're going to meet in person, why not arrange to get married outside the US? And if you get married in person, then you have a traditional, legally valid marriage, and you also have the opportunity to celebrate it with your friends and family, which is going to generate a lot of proof that your marriage relationship is genuine. Whenever anybody approaches me with ideas about getting married online in Turkey or in Utah or somewhere else, I always dig into that. What problem are you trying to solve? What's the advantage of the online marriage for someone going through the immigration process, given that you actually have to meet in person before you can file this thing? The problem that you run into in addition to that is that while your marriage might be valid in some countries or under state law, it might not be recognized for immigration purposes. That really causes legal complications. So what I would say to you is stick to one of two options if you're interested in applying for a marriage-based visa petition. One is go and meet your fiancé and file a fiancé visa petition. This petition is based on the fact that you're going to get married and apply for a green card once your fiancé gets a visa to enter the US. This is option one. Option two, you arrange to get married outside the US, and then you file for the case based on a spousal visa. Those are the two traditional tried and true paths. The online marriage provides no benefits to anyone, given that you have to meet in person anyway. Stick with what works. Make it simple. Don't add something complicated where it shouldn't be. What questions do you have about online marriage? Have I gotten this wrong? Tell me what you think in the comments below.